Guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley at TS Tech Talk. In today's video, I want to show you how to react with more emoji on Instagram while chatting with your friend. So usually if you have Instagram installed and you want to chat with your friends, you see this icon, you click on it, and then you go to your contacts, your contact list or your followers list that you've chatted with. If you want to react to their message, all you need to do is to double click to heart that particular message, and you can only react with a heart. So if I'm actually going to do this, I will show you guys how to react with more reaction by pressing and holding just like you do on Messenger and reacting with more. So all you can do is to like and unlike a message when you are on Instagram, but in this video I will show you guys how to react with more reaction. Then before we go over to this, you need to do two things. Go to your Android Play Store or your Google Play Store. Go over to your apps and messages. Try to update the Instagram. Make sure that the Instagram is up to date. If the Instagram is up to date, go ahead and click open. So once you have it open, now I've already linked this with my account, so I don't want to link this with another account. There is this option for you to link your Instagram account. So let me switch over to the account that I've already linked, which is TS Tech Talk. I already made a video about this, how to link it, on my previous video, so I'm going to leave the description. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Make sure you have your account linked with Facebook Messenger. Your Instagram account, make sure you have it linked with Facebook Messenger. So if you have it linked with Facebook Messenger, you'll be able to do this. So I will go over to my messages, and then I'm going to go to general. I don't want to send message to random people, and then I have this message right here. So on this message, normally I can just double tap to heart the message, right? But if I click and hold on the message, I can get more messages to react to more of the message. And if I click on the plus icon, I get to see more messages to react with. So I can use this particular one to react to that particular message. So if you guys don't have it linked with your Messenger, you will not be able to do this. Actually, I'm chatting with this person right from my Instagram, and I can still do the same thing I do on my Facebook Messenger. This is because I have the two accounts linked together. Now you can notice on my profile account, when I click on this option and then click on settings area, I can go to my account settings and click on profile settings. You can notice I'm linked with my profile, which is my Facebook profile. You can notice that's what it said. It says Facebook. So when you click on that, you can notice my personal account is linked to this particular account. So all you need to do is to link the accounts together with your Messenger, and you'll be able to do all of that. So that is all I want to show you guys for today's video. Reacting to any message with more reactions, and you can see anyone. I can use any of them and react to those reactions. So you guys get what I'm saying. All you need to do is to link this account with your Instagram. Link Instagram with your Facebook Messenger, and you'll be able to get to react with this to any of those messages like this. So it's as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and see you on my next video. Peace.